Good morning from the Muscovy ducks of Functional Rustic. The little guy lets me pet him. That's right, Prodigy. Yeah. Look at these guys. Oh my gosh, a week ago, this guy could fit in my hand. He's so big. Hey, sweetie. Oh, hi. Hi, Chester. Oh, why are you getting me wet? Oh, that's gross. Yeah, Muscovies don't quack. They do that. See more videos of the Muscovy ducks at functionalrustic.com. You guys going out? Oh, everybody's out. Val, out. Hey, babies. My big babies. All right, let's get out of here. Clean this. Hi, Gladys. Good morning, Gladys, my bronze turkey. Yeah, how about don't run at the dog? Go outside. Go out the back door. And they're gone. Too cute. It is never a dull day with the Muscovy ducks of Functional Rustic. Oh, I'm sorry. And turkey of Functional Rustic. Good morning, beautiful. This is Gladys. You're so pretty. Your feathers are growing in so nice. See more of the Muscovy ducks at functionalrustic.com.